Fire in the hole, let's cook a dessert. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my barbecue grill. Welcome also to the second noisiest neighborhood in the known universe. We got some people out here doing some pressure washing today, so you're gonna have to bear with me. It's gonna make a bunch of noise. Anyway, what we're making for you today is a bacon dessert. And it starts out with this. This is Poppin' Fresh Crescent Rolls Sweet Hawaiian. That's a new flavor that they just came out with. They have, you know, your regular crescent rolls, but this one is Sweet Hawaiian. You got to get this out of here. You know, this is always an adventure getting these out of here. Anyway, this is what they call convenience dough. You whack it on there. You get it out of the can. You get it on your sheet here. And you're supposed to make this into crescent rolls, but we're not gonna. We're gonna do something a little different with it today. We're gonna roll it out like this. Let me get rid of this. That's my garbage pail. All right, garbage pail's out of reach. We'll get through it later. Anyway, we're gonna unroll this crescent roll dough like so, very carefully. I hate working with dough. I think you guys know that. But I'm gonna power through it today for you because I want to do this. I want to show you this bacon dessert that I think you're gonna like. Okay, so I'm getting it sort of done here. See what I mean about dough? Oh, it's such a hassle. Okay, yeah, this is easy dough here, you know? This is the easy stuff. Imagine if this was like pizza dough or something. Anyway, yeah, see what it did? It like bubbled up in the middle there. Anyway, there's our dough rolled out. And now what we're gonna do is take some real maple syrup. Real maple syrup. And slather some of that on there. On that dough, like so. Maple syrup. Maple and bacon kind of goes together, doesn't it? It sure does. So we got some real maple syrup on there. Now I got a whole bunch of bacon that I par cooked. I'm going to scatter that all over there. I guess the more bacon the better, right? Bacon. How can you go wrong with bacon? It's par cooked. It's not crispy cooked. It's just kind of soft cooked, but it's going to cook some more in the grill when we cook this dough. The dough has to cook for like 30 minutes at like 300 degrees. So the bacon's probably going to get crispy. And we've got to get a good bit of bacon on there. Get it spread out kind of nice looking, sort of, I guess. And look, I got a whole bunch left over for me to snack on. I could just sit here and pop it in my mouth. Oh, nothing better than bacon. And I got some semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're going to scatter them on there. Wherever there's no bacon, there'll be some chocolate chips. That bacon's so good. Yeah. You want to use semi-sweet chocolate chips for this? Because as they cook, the sugar in them will sweeten up. And if you use milk chocolate, I don't think that the results will be as good. But yeah, we got some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I just got that bacon out of my mouth. Shouldn't have done that, huh? Popped all that bacon in my mouth. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I also have some butterscotch chips. For people who like butterscotch. I like butterscotch, don't you? So we'll drop a little butterscotch on there. You can see this is going to be, I don't know, this is going to be, I call this a pie, but I think it's going to be more like a cookie. Like a big chocolatey cookie with bacon. Yeah. We just got to put a little bit more of that maple syrup on top. Drizzle a little bit more maple syrup on top. That maple syrup's going to caramelize on there too, you know. Oh man, this is going to be good. What do you think? We're going to get that in the grill and get it cooking. And I'll show you what that looks like. And we're not going to drink a beer today. We're going to drink some coffee. Because I don't think beer goes with this. I think, you know, we'd be better off with a cup of coffee. Anyway, there it is. That's my maple bacon chocolate barbecue pie. That's what I'm calling it. Anyway, let's get on the grill, get it cooking. I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Well, the temperature of the charbroil commander is at almost 350 degrees. I've got a hellacious rainstorm coming in on me. Of course, that's not going to affect me. We're going to open that thing up and get that barbecue bacon chocolate pie on there. We're going to close it back up, cook that for about 30 minutes. That's going to be one ooey gooey mess. I don't know how I'm going to serve it or present it. And here comes the rain. You hear it? Oh yeah, got thunderstorms. Okay, well, that's got to cook for about 30 minutes. Then we'll get it out of there. We'll cut it up. We'll take a taste and drink some coffee. So stay tuned. My barbecue bacon pie is done. We're going to let that cool off a little bit before we cut it up. I'm going to go get a cup of coffee and we'll take a taste and drink some coffee. So stay tuned. Boy, you want to talk about some ooey gooey goodness. Check that out right there. I can't wait to get this in my mouth. Oh boy. Baby, that's bacon and chocolate overload. Let me tell you right there. Delicious. Good coffee too. Hope your coffee's as good as mine, Texas Paul. Oh, that's amazing. Let me tell you what. It's amazing what you can do with that canned dough. That sorry. That Hawaiian dough is amazing. Just amazing. Hey baby, that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. No beer this week. Rob, drinking coffee. Cafe Bustelo, my favorite. Get some of this off my teeth. Ah, that's better. Anyway, babies, you know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and visit my good friend. I don't know his name, but the name of the channel is Just Cook the Damn Food. I love the channel name. Anyway, go check them out. They're making videos again. It's either a guy or two guys. This barbecue bacon pie, I don't know what I'm calling this. Barbecue bacon. It's got bacon, chocolate. What are those things? Butterscotch chips, and that Hawaiian sweetbread is just amazing. You gotta try this recipe, babies. Hey, you know what I always say? Please like and subscribe to the Rude Boy Cooks. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we didn't drink a beer. We're drinking coffee. Maybe next week we'll drink a beer and cook something good. We'll see you next week. Bye.